up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day, another beautiful video, man. It's kind of cold out here. We got to the new year and it's more than chilly. So we got the owner of this beautiful Fisker. We got Jose, aka, we're not gonna say his nickname on the camera because he's look at him smiling over there. He knows what I'm talking about. But today we got something a little interesting. We're doing a PPF on a beautiful Fisker. So if you guys don't know, Fisker's been out for about 10 years now. It's a company that has some beautiful exotic looking cars, and this is actually one of their newer units. It got the forged carbon on the wheels, as you can see there. But it's actually a SUV. So tell us about what made you buy this car.
So I'm big on electric cars, and this is an electric car that I've been waiting on this for 4 years now. I reserved it on 2020 January, and it's almost 4 years exactly.
You reserved it in 2020, you got it. Yes, now. Sir, now it's your toy. Show us your car. Show us inside. Show what makes this car such a beautiful car. Show us the Fisker.
If you stand back.
Okay, let's stand back.
I'll just lock it up, and then I'll press this button here. That's called the California mode. What it does is it downs all the windows.
Oh, look at that, y'all. The front window, the back windows, the door, and the roof is kicking to the back. That's a nice feature, because that's the California feature. Yes. What else does this car do that makes it so badass for you?
So let me unlock it for you. And the range on this is 360 miles, which is more than a Tesla Model Y.
That's pretty interesting. And let's see what this configuration looks like inside. You might have to get inside because your key proximity. Interesting little car though, y'all. Interesting little car.
By the way, all the material inside is made of recycled ocean material. So it's like 110 pounds of recycled material inside, even the seat, fabric, everything.
Everything here is recycled ocean material, because that's why they call it the ocean.
This is called a Hollywood mode, where you rotate the screen and then you do your media thing here.
Pretty cool, man. So he's right there.
And you can go to the apps, entertainment stuff, right? You can do your Apple TV or Hulu or Amazon Prime.
YouTube, all that kind of stuff right there. That's pretty cool. What else does she do, man? Rotate that screen again. Let them see that screen rotate. Right. Boom. Boom. Rotation of the screen.
That's one more feature. And then here they have a digital camera for the
full camera.
Mirror. Yeah, this is kind of mirror and the camera.
It's really comfortable inside. It's like an off blue. It's like a beautiful damn color inside. Yeah, and this is made from recycled.
Yeah, except the seat.
Except the Alcantara.
This is recycled, but this one is Alcantara.
That's Alcantara, but everything else is recycled material. That's pretty damn interesting. It's very eco-friendly. It's actually really nice and comfortable too, man.
It is.
You see something here?
Another neat trick here is we have this taco tray.
Let me show. That at the front.
And then you can boom eat your tacos on this. That's what they actually call it, taco tray.
They call that a taco tray because you can have your food while you're eating right there at the little table.
And there's one for the passenger too.
Look at that. So you got your own little tray to eat and do what you have to do. That's actually, you know, it's the simple things that make a big difference in these cars. Wireless chargers, Q, everything is good. Yeah. This one came in, y'all, for a PPF. So he bought his car, he wanted to get his car protected, and PPF is the best way to do it. It definitely protects the paint a lot from rock chips and all the daily debris that we run into, especially when it's raining, all the mud and dirt that comes in your car. So it's definitely a great add-on to the vehicle to be able to protect it. So he reached out, told him to bring it in. I got the car here. We're about to get it rolling. I'm gonna show you the video if we start getting the PPF done on this vehicle. And then we get the final result when he picks up his car and he got a smile on his face. He actually gonna end up adding some lights, if what I'm understanding, to give it a little glow in the vehicle, and just give it a little personal touch, y'all. So stay tuned if we keep on working on this beautiful Fisker Ocean. Show y'all some other stuff that he's got. Show us the startup lighting things.
I don't know if you got that on camera.
I'm catching it right here. Look, it's another design.
The cool thing is even this lights up.
That lights up. Yeah, that's a nice thing.
And it says Ocean there, right? So I'm gonna do it again.
Y'all see that? Yes.
Same thing on the back too.
Let's go see the back. Let's show them this Fisker in the back.
Right.
Check that out. Factory, y'all. Like it. I mean, can I say I like it, y'all? Stay tuned if we get this going. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on over here right now. We're getting this Fisker ready to get the PPF done, but the guys are out pressure washing and cleaning it, clay barring it, and getting it all prepped and ready for the application of the PPF. So one of the processes you have to do, you have to clean the car very well and make sure you get all the contaminants and stuff off of the paint so you don't have no issue when you're doing it. So that's what they're doing right now on this bad boy, is getting her situated with a good clean, get her clay barred, and get it ready for the PPF installation. This Fisker, stay tuned. What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat. I want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support, man. Truthfully grateful and blessed to have y'all on the Cruise Crew team, man. Bringing y'all some content here today, man. We got a couple different builds we're working on. Old school Caprice, yes, we see that. He's gonna get that fixed now. We're giving him a quote for that. LS swap, old school Dayton's with the Vogues, beautiful Caprice 4-door. Got the full soft top, as y'all can see. I forgot what they call this, but it can look a Brauheim or I don't remember, man. But my technician's in here right now getting this one going. Full security system, CompuStar, because he wants to protect his car. That was in process. Got another one. This one's gonna be very fun and very interesting, y'all. 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. 3LT package. We are doing a full security build on this bad boy, and this one is not going to be Josh's favorite. Josh, what do you want to tell the people on the camera?
I quit.
Quit on the Corvettes, like it's over with. This is a difficult car, y'all, because we have to do a lot of removal, a lot of stuff to be able to get in this car, to be able to get the security system going for him. We got to dismantle a lot. We can't tell you what goes into it, but this one could be coming apart and getting a full CompuStar so on it for a security build. So if you have anything from old school to new school, whatever you need, come and check us out. Let me give you a reveal of some of the other builds we're going to be having for you. Beautiful Charger here, Challenger, my back. Came in, we'll be doing a custom wide body kit on this one here. Now, I got to tell you, this car is actually really sick, man. He put airbags on it. This car has full color graphics, has a lot of beautiful things, man, and we're gonna get to do a wide body on that one. We have to do some modifying, but that'll be on the next video. But I just show you a little bit of what's going on. That one's going in there, getting that one built out. This one, y'all gonna be seeing the progress. Stay tuned, as this channel today could be working about security and getting these cars secure. Stay tuned. Before he leaves today, man, want to introduce to y'all, know him. This is Seifu Lonzo, man. Indeed, friend of ours for many years. When I started this YouTube game, like started playing with the YouTube, he's been out there with us for a minute, man. And you know, say he converted his channel from automotive to guns, and now he's going back to cars. Tell us, give us your intro, man. Give us your intro.
If I still got it on the old intro, it's Seifu Lonzo, aka the Black Bruce Banner. I am him, he is I. We're one. You damn well best believe we're the same, man. Yes, indeed. I think that's how it goes.
That's what it was, man.
But we're going to get back on it, though, man.
Man, because you're coming back to the channel. I got your keys. That was ready to go. Hey, lights are working.
Hey,
mirrors
stay tuned,
on.
y'all, because Jeff knows I got something in the works.
Special.
I'm bringing it here, so y'all gonna see it on his channel as well. So stay tuned for that, man. Subscribe to the channel too. Seifu Lonzo on all social media platforms, man. Yes, indeed.
Yes, sir. That, man, with my boy Seifu Lonzo. We're gonna get back to the other build, but that was the guy that we get to the Charger, fixed his light, got his mirror going. He is ready to go. Next project coming in. Also giving y'all an update, man. The fit protection on it. We're doing our final wipe down, for washing it down for the customer so you can pick it up. But this one will be ready to go delivered to the customer. So we washed it up, but I mean, I can show you a little thing, you can see the PPF is done. You can always see little edges and stuff like that for the tint. You know what I'm saying? But everything is PPF'd, and this one is ready to go. Ready to go, y'all. So actually, we get to deliver. It's yeah. So yeah, this is what's going on. We've already stripped down the center console of the Vet to be able to get to everything that we need back there and everywhere else. Can't tell you exactly where to get the security build, but this is what goes in to doing. They can't get to it no matter what anyway, but this is what goes into doing this vehicle and getting a security system done on this C8 Corvette. So at the end of this day, we're gonna introduce you to the owner. He is the owner of this beautiful Caprice. This is the project and the working. You see it today. Wait till you see this car the next couple months, the next couple years, as he is going to have it going. So right now we're on remote start. Go to kick that off. Press and hold the button on the side right there. Press and hold it. Vehicle's off. Now go ahead and crank her on again. Turn on everything she needs to do. The vehicle's on and running. Done. Now let's go check this. Turn it off again. And now let's go do something else. Press and hold it. Press and hold the button. Done. Now she's off, right? So now let's go ahead and arm it. And I'm gonna go break into this car and see how. Pull out your phone. Let's see how fast your phone gives you this alert that's going on with your car. So I just came to your car. I opened up the door. You got everything closed out. Alarm going off. Remote control's going off. The drone's going. Just that fast. Boom. Alert trigger. The door has been opened and the remote control going off. So now you know 100% that if somebody tries to get your baby girl, you're gonna know on your phone. You're gonna know on your remote control. This is good for up to 3,000 feet away because this is close to a mile range. Okay, this arm, okay, here goes the trick. When it's going off, you hit it one time to shut off the remote control. One more time to disarm the alarm. The one time just shuts up the remote, the next time actually disarms the alarm. There goes that there. But now you knowing that your car is secured.
Right.
Because you're gonna be putting money in here.
Yes, sir.
And you don't want it to be taken. Man, you came out to AUDIOZONE, you wanted to get this done, man. What has been your experience?
Oh, it's just been pretty good. I can't complain.
Man, we're grateful for that, man.
Thank you.
What is your Instagram, man?
I don't have an Instagram.
You got a YouTube, Facebook, anything?
No, not yet. It's coming.
It's coming. Y'all pay attention, man. We don't have it today, man, but when he does get it, he'll let us know. We'll put in the bio because this is going to be a beautiful build. I know that these cars, they're projects. They're pride and joy to us, man, who love cars, you know what I'm saying? So you're going to watch this car grow. You get to see a lot of the development of this car, man. So this was done. Now we're getting out the C8. Back here in the C8 Corvette, showing y'all what Josh has got going on. We already gave him the Caprice that he's got. Now we got this beautiful C8 that Josh has got a beautiful headache on. He doesn't like. You like it? You like the car, but hate working on it.
It's not even that. It's just so new that our people.
Tech support.
It stunts.
It is what it is. So this is why y'all, so we don't get stuff till we figure it out. Hey man, so we walked in the shop, man. We got a Colleen. He's actually a military dude, so we salute them for what they do. And if y'all don't salute, I'm with that, man, because if you're able to do what you do today, let me just put this in perspective, man. We are very advanced in the United States, but there's a lot of countries you go to that you can't choose how much food you want to eat. You can't choose what you want to do. You can't. There's a lot of things out there, man, but we owe that to our military who, you know what I'm saying? We could go into politics. We're not talking politics. We're talking about the guys who actually get on the ground and have the the courage to go out there, man. Cause y'all leave out there for weeks at a time, months at a time. You know what I'm saying? No family, no friends next to them. The people they meet in the military is all they have, man. But they actually do what they do, so we salute them. And he came in from Killeen, which is Fort Hood, which they changed the name of it from Fort Hood to another name.
Yep, Fort Cavazos.
Fort Cavazos, because there was an incident with a girl that I believe it was on the news, man. But you know what I'm saying? We're done with that. Let's go see his build and see what needs to get done and see if we can help him out, y'all. Another customer of ours for a long time, man. He picking up his car. He has actually a pretty bang. In fact, before I go there, let's just show everybody what you got in here, man. What you're doing on your bang, man. We don't want to give him a demo. Got a broken windshield already, you could tell, but he's got some exaggerated stuff in his car from being a Kia Forte. He has two big boy Nemesis, big box amplifiers, everything in there. This car actually hits really, really good. Let me show you something else here. He's running it by that American base. He's got batteries and isolators and stuff, and that's his car, man. But well, he had a little issue today. He came in, we fixed it for him. No charges under warranty, man. You enjoy your day. God bless you, my brother. All right, but let's come check out my young man over here from Fort Hood, man. Another Accord. I don't know who this is, but let's go see what we got. No Limit Car Designs. I see he got the tail light wrapped already. Yes, he's got the wheels on it, y'all. Got the American flag for sure. Definitely. Here goes his Instagram, y'all. Is _BJ, because this is his car. So what are we doing for you today, BJ?
Just get my wicker build done.
Your wicker build?
Spoiler on the back of it.
Okay, cool. Let me see what you got here, because this is the spoiler you got. This is an aftermarket already, and you got a wicker build for it. So we just doing a wicker build install only?
No, we just gonna fix it because I got a gap through here that it won't like completely flush.
So we do have a gap, and I do see the reasons why. So we're gonna have to install some rivets and put bolts in there. You can see here that it got a gap there because it's loose. So we're gonna definitely have to fix that up and get that going, put some rivets and get that done. And what else you got?
And just the wicker build.
And it's for the spoiler?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see what you got. I see it there. Let's see all your accessories.
Yeah, I got the bolts and stuff like that.
Done deal. So I'm gonna get the guys rolling on this one and get this young man going out. And because he's military, he gets a discount, man. Because again, we appreciate what they do. We're really grateful for y'all, man. Really, we're grateful to y'all a lot.
Love the channel. Love all the content y'all do, man.
Well, we're getting back into it now, man. I haven't been blogging for a minute. I haven't posted for a while. My wife was down this whole year. Kind of set us in a little depression, you could say. Not seeing my wife being 100%. You know, she went through her colon perforated, became septic in her blood from the acids from the stomach, and we went through a whole journey. But my baby girl's back, and she's doing her thing. So now I'm back into vlogging and getting out here again with y'all, man. So, you know, we're grateful for that, man. But I'm gonna get this car in there and get this set up, y'all. Stay tuned. So at this point in time, I missed most of the vlog for you. Did here, we already got the wicker bill rivets inside here, and we've already sealed this up. So basically what we did on the spoiler, we got these these same rivets that we have here, and we installed them here in the middle of the spoiler itself. That allowing us to put new bolts that they've actually already got in there. I can't show y'all because they already put it together. And now we're doing the wicker building install on this one to get this one going. I'm sorry, y'all, man, but you know, unfortunately, I wasn't here. I had to step out, so. Mando Press up in the building, man. Everybody hello on the camera. Y'all don't know who this guy is, man. This guy is very big, but he's not on social media, man. He actually signed a record deal with Drake. Yep. And coming out soon, man. It's gonna be called Why the Fallopians Flop, y'all. That could be the name of his album coming out, man. It's gonna be specializing with the X right here. Nah, I'm playing. Nah, let's go give you your car because you get back out to Colleen, and let's get you going. So he came in with his car. He had a big issue, spoiler gapping, and some other issues. So the process, we took the spoiler off. Put new rivets inside, come inspect it from this side. You tell me how that looks. Solid, done. New rivets in here. So this is riveted, and the bottom, all the new one installed there. That is a wrap, man. What do you want to tell everybody here today on camera?
Come see my boy, AUDIOZONE. He gets you right every single time.
Man, we appreciate you for coming in, man. You enjoy your trip back to Colleen. And again, we salute you for what you do for us in the military, man. Y'all be good. God bless y'all, man. Y'all, so we are done with that one. Going on with the next one, y'all. Stay tuned. Giving you the finale of this Corvette. We have the kill switches and everything done. Quick. Okay, hit the arm, Dad.
I got the key.
Nah, come on. Hit the arm, Dito. Okay, start the car. Car does not turn on. Perfect. Okay, disarm it. Boom. With that, the drone with the kill switch is done on the brand new 24, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Look, yeah. 2024 Chevrolet Corvette. That means if you have any vehicle that you own and you want to get it secured, come check us out here at AUDIOZONE, man. We'll definitely get it going for y'all, man. So we're gonna always just want to thank you guys always for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. We don't just work on Dodge, man. If you got a Dodge, you got a Hyundai, you got a big problem with these Hyundai being stolen, these Kias, come check us out here at the store, man. Phone number is 972-513-0111. You can text us for faster service. Come visit us here at 930 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas, man. Y'all be good and God bless.